Boomer. Are you sleepy? Do you have a long day at the park? Hmm? Can you come here? Or you don't want to? Come here. Come here. Look at that tail. Look at that tail just wagging. Oh, look how sleepy you are. Who's a pretty boy? Can you do something? Do you want to go get in the bed? Is it time to go to bed? Huh? Boomer. Come here. Let's go to bed. I think we need to go to bed. Stretch. Oh. I guess not.